How to know if your girlfriend is cheating on you. Hello friends, we are really sorry for you guys that you reached to the point to know signs of a cheating girlfriend.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We understand it is a worse feeling when your girl is cheating on you. If you have good reasons for suspecting cheating, then the sooner you know the better.
Honey, I'm home.
We at How To are always trying to help everyone on the planet learn how to do anything. Before you will find the answer to your how to, press the subscribe button and motivate us. Boys, follow these simple steps to clear your doubts. Step 1. Noticing what she does. Number 1. She starts caring a lot about her appearance. If your girlfriend's wardrobe has suddenly tripled over the last 2 months. If she has joined a gym and is getting more conscious of her body. But the bad part is, you've barely been out on a date. Then for whom she may be dressing up. Though she might just want to look nicer and be more in shape. But this point, coupled with others, can be a sign of cheating. Number 2. See if she withdraws from sex. Guys, look, a cheating man and cheating women act very differently when it comes to sex. You can know more about signs of a cheating man by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Now, if your girl is getting love somewhere else, then she may feel guilty or just not interested in sleeping with you. She may even withdraw from sex.
You pink-ass corrupt honky judge, take your little wet noodle out of here, and if you see a man anywhere, send him in, because I do need a man.
Number 3. Getting secretive around her phone and computer. Guys, if previously your girlfriend used to show you her computer or always left her phone out in the open, but now she shuts her laptop anytime you come into the room and even added a password to her phone or even her computer, then she doesn't want you to see who she's been chatting with. Step 2. Noticing what she says. Number 1. See if she's mentioned a new friend suddenly. Has a new coworker or classmate's name come up once or twice recently? Has it come up a lot? If so, then bad news is this may be the mystery man you're afraid of. Number 2. See if she's shady about her schedule. Boys, if she rushes off without barely telling you anything where she's going, then something may be up. If you no longer know what she's up to for hours at a time. Also, she's shady when you ask about it. Then she may be spending that time with someone else. Number 3. See if she's suddenly more interested in your schedule. You may think that this is a sign that she really cares about you. This is so cute. But it could be her way of making sure you don't catch her cheating. So keep a note, boys. Step 3. Finding out if she is cheating. Number 1. Follow her. But we will say this is a major breach of trust. But if you've reached the point of desperation, then try to follow her. Check where she is spending her time and with whom. Number 2. Show up to her place unexpectedly. Show up at her place. Do make a genuine excuse and
I need fresh drawers. My mother's sick.
and come up surprising her. Say you just couldn't wait to see her. Does she not let you come into her bedroom? Or worse, does she not let you come over at all? This is a huge red flag. Number 3. Present your evidence. Let your partner know exactly what led you to believe that she is cheating on you. Discuss behaviors, communication patterns, levels of engagement, and any physical evidence you may have found. Number 4. Make a decision. Once you and your girlfriend have had an honest discussion about your concerns, you need to make a decision. If she confesses to cheating, do you want to try to save your relationship? If she says she is faithful, are you willing to accept her answer? Or is it time to move on? Let us know what are your views about a cheating partner and become part of How To in making the planet more knowledgeable. Thanks for watching.